Introduce yourself and what's your practice area here at GZA?
Well, Gene Bove. I'm in the acoustics practice area, which falls in the planning practice area. And I'm senior project manager in the Fairfield office.
Awesome. What are you excited to see or learn about here today at the tech conference?
I love coming to the tech conference because I like to see all the different things people do. I didn't know we do shellfish classifications, and I enjoy going to those types of presentations. We just learned about 9-foot drill shafts a few minutes ago. Just things I never work on. It's just really interesting to see. Yeah.
What about some interesting projects you're working on right now? Can you tell us about?
Working on a ton of battery energy storage system projects for acoustics. We're going in and monitoring noise before they're built. We are helping develop a model to see what the noise impacts are going to be and designing mitigation. That's one of the cool things we're working on. So a ton of renewable energy, which is rewarding to work on. And on the other end of that, we're doing a lot of data center work lately, which is obviously a big and booming thing. So we're also doing the same thing, monitoring noise before, modeling what the noise is going to be like, and helping them design mitigation so that they're not a nuisance to their neighbors.
Is there any like when you're doing stakeholder outreach on VEST, is there any thing that you kind of wish more folks knew about it?
Yeah, I mean, I think most people don't think that they're just taking in energy from like a solar panel or something. So they're like, why are there these battery systems in New York City jammed between a bunch of buildings? It's because they're trying to help lower costs of energy, which obviously is a huge problem everywhere right now. So they're purchasing energy at night when rates are lower and discharging it during the day to try to alleviate some of the costs for the customers, as well as helping prevent blackouts. So most people are like, lithium-ion battery, it's going to catch fire. But they should realize that it's helping their neighborhood.
And if you're going to recruit somebody at GZA, what would you tell them about what it's like to work here? Like, what is the value for working here?
Yeah, so I actually came here 3 years ago through the Equity Environmental acquisition, and when I was told that we were getting acquired, I was upset. I was, always worked in a small business. I did not want to come here, and within 2 weeks of working here, I realized this was going to be the best thing that ever happened in my career. So, we get exposed to so many different things, and today's a good example of that, right? Learning about the shellfish or what types of geotech things or engineering things we're doing. You get access to so many different people and different service areas that it helps you build on your career and what you can do and learn about. So that's kind of my pitch whenever I'm trying to bring on a new employee or when I'm interviewing staff.
Can you think of an example, like maybe a project that you worked on where that came into play while you've been here?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of the data center work, it comes in through our New Hampshire office most of the time, and they're doing the air quality work and permitting for the generators. We'll be on that job doing the acoustics work. The geotechs will be designing the pads and the footings for the generators. So that's kind of a good multidisciplinary project. Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thanks, Dan.
Yeah, great seeing you.